Hello, scholars. Welcome to week 6. Happy Monday. I'm here today because I wanted to show you what we're going to do this week. This week is big because we're going to start talking about adjective clauses. So if you go to your Canvas and you look through week 6, I'm really hoping that you will be able to go through every single page that I prepared for you, as always, right? In the timeline page, you will see what kind of activities you will have to do by when. This week, we're also going to continue learning about irregular verbs. So make sure you look at this page, practice your writing. It says that the deadline is September 30th, which is a Wednesday, but you time yourself. The quiz is due by Sunday, right? So if you need to take extra few days to practice those irregular verbs, that's perfectly fine, as long as the quiz is submitted by Sunday. This week, we're going to, like I said, review adjective clauses. So that's Unit 12. And I would like you to do more exercises in Focus on Grammar and also My English Lab. There are 4 exercises waiting there for you. The answer key for Unit 12 is included here for you. Please make sure you do your exercises before looking at the answer key so that you can learn, right? And then when you do look at the answer key and you notice that you made mistakes, don't erase them, just simply cross them out so that you can see how many mistakes you made and what you need to review, right? For our writing assignment this week, it may not make sense right now for you, but after you practice, you will see that you will have to create 10 different sentences where you give definitions to those senseless words. These words make no sense in English. I created these words by putting letters together. So please don't try to go to your dictionary and look for the meaning of these words. These are not real English words. This exercise is just for fun, for us to practice using our adjective clauses. So what I would like for you to do is create definitions for these words that, again, have no meaning in English. You create the meaning, so be creative and have fun. If you need more information about this, if you want more practice with this, I'll be available during my office hours on Wednesday between 3 and 4. And also feel free to also meet one another on Thursday morning for your student support hour. The test, as usual, will be open for you on Sunday. And this will conclude our week 6. And all the activities in week 6. In week 7, we're going to continue talking about adjective clauses, but these will be a little bit different. So make sure you pay attention to what's so special about the week 6 adjective clauses. Well, I hope you enjoyed this week. Remember that I am available, so please reach out if you have any questions. But other than that, enjoy week 6.